Hello, in front of me I've got Alcatel 1SE Lite. In this video I will show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter display. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change brightness level of the screen manually or via adaptive brightness. Then we can enable eye comfort mode and schedule it and change its intensity. Next we can change colors and contrast of the screen and contrast mode. Then we can change wallpaper, enable dark theme, change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, enable auto rotate screen, change font size, set screensaver, enable full screen mode for apps, manage lock screen preferences like notifications on lock screen, add users from lock screen, enable lock screen message, show lockdown option, enable lift to check phone and new notifications. In the end, you can hide notch. And that's basically it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.